Okay, now that I'm all set up, I just want to show you how this looks put together and clarify some of the connections that I probably didn't make clear earlier. So first of all, when you start, you're gonna start out with this in the off position, even though I have it on and the yellow light is on. When you start and before you have it all plugged in, make sure that's off. Then you want to plug in the power source here. You can see that connects to the battery, which connects to the outlet. These are the audio jacks, these three, and they're very obvious where they go. It's the only place they fit, so you'll plug those in the front. Next, the ones that are a little tricky are the cords that go to the music player and the speaker. So the music player has two cords coming from it. One is rectangular and it plugs into the power source. I received this, it has two USB ports and it plugs in. So this is just an extension cord that it's plugged into here. But you want to have one USB plugged there and then it connects here to the music player. And this one here is like a headphone jack style. And this cord, as you can see, connects right here to the amplifier. And that's your music player. And then over here, we have the speaker. And when you plug the speaker in, okay, so here's another one of the rectangular plugins. That's going to be the other USB that you plug into your port here, that you plug into your power source. So the amplifier, the speaker has to be plugged in here to the power source, the electricity, and here it's plugged in to the top of the amplifier. So those are the two that are coming out of your speaker. Now, if your speaker, when your speaker is plugged in, this red light here will turn on. But the blue light might not be turned on until you push this button. So it might not be obvious to you. It wasn't to me originally, but you have to press this. And I'll try it once there. Okay, so that's the on-off button. And then it also has volume controls here on the speaker that you can push. They're raised, but they're not colored, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on here. Once you know they're there, it's pretty clear, but if you don't know they're there, you might not realize it. So make sure that you just know to push this on. And you should adjust the volume, I think, from the music player rather than from the speaker. So now back to the music player. To turn that on, you want to push this little side button over here. And there it is. And I have it turned way down. It's on wellness. But I'm going to turn up the volume so that you can hear it. And that's this button here. And you just keep pushing it, or you can hold it down and it will go up. They recommend keeping it on 70, so you can start to hear it now. And there it is on 70. And now you'll see these should be flashing green on the front here, which they are. And then my coil here, my mirror coil, is flashing red. And that is it. I have assembled the Miracle iQube. And once you know what to do, it's very simple. It's just a matter of taking the time to get everything in the right place.